Hello to everyone who's watching this. Today, I'm here to present our project, which is called Watchdog Contract Renewal. So, as the name suggests, it is a contract renewal decider orchestrated bunch of agents. So, the problem statement that we picked is in the track of agents for businesses, and the main problem that we want to highlight here is that many companies have so many subscriptions in so many areas, and most of them are very high cost, and most of them eventually are not used or they decline in usage. So obviously it is very difficult for a human to go through those many subscriptions and look through those many papers, and obviously the companies offering the subscriptions make it extremely difficult for the businesses to cancel them. So looking into this, we are here to automate this whole process. So for example, I have a PDF here of a subscription contract. So if we have many underlying clauses, like you need to inform 30 days before the applicable renewal date, late payment costs, hike in the rate of per month outstanding balance, and escalation of price by 5% annually, and these are very high costing again. So our solution, let me show you. So it has CLI where you can run a daily scan, or we've built a web ADK UI as well. So let me start with that, because that's where the main thing can be well represented, we think. So these are a few PDFs that we've uploaded, but obviously it can be scaled up to 100 PDFs. So let's choose one. So here we can see 4 agents: extraction agent, usage analysis. So extraction agents basically extracts all the info about the vendor, like the name of the vendor, what are the renewal dates, you can see here what's the product that they're offering, annual value. So you don't have to look through so much of PDFs and so much of paperwork to find out these basic details. And then we have 2 agents running simultaneously: usage analysis, because many subscription we use less and less every day, and then risk scoring, what is the risk that we're taking by canceling or taking the subscription. So yeah, as you can see, the agents combinedly, they gave us renegotiate, and the urgency is not that much, and the dollars and the money at risk is given. So here's the fun part: draft message body. It also drafts a message to anyone that we want to send about this information, and we can either discard it without saving, because we have put a human in loop, because many subscriptions are very high valued, and they're important for companies too sometimes, and the AI can make mistakes, or sometimes there are new projects coming in that the human knows about and the AI doesn't know about. So for these cases, because it's an important business decision, we've put a human in loop. The human's work though is reduced tremendously. So the human can either discard or edit the draft as per their approval, or approve and draft the mail, and they can keep it in the draft, but the mail is not sent, or directly send the mail. So let me just show you this one, and it's sent. For now I've hooked into my account, so here's the message, and I've got it, and it also keeps track of everything in here, contract ledger. So it automatically updates. Zeta chat, renegotiate, and the message that is sent. This helps us keep track of the activities performed by the agent. And here's the MCP magic, which is one of the best things we've learned during this course. So we have the UI console, we have the MCP server that is talking to the tracker, and local systems like CSV files, which give information such as usage and are used to Google draft the messages, and then the Google APIs. So this works beautifully to give a seamless experience to the user. And yeah, our code is live here on Watchdog Kaggle demo, and please check it out and Thank you.